We're going to be taking a look at how you can make a bootable USB using a tool called Rufus. Rufus is a tool that helps you create bootable USBs and is especially useful when you need to create USB installation media for ISOs like Windows, Linux, or any other types of ISOs. First, you'll need to download the Rufus tool. If you open up a browser and just type Rufus and select the first link there, which is rufus.ie, and you'll see here this gives you the option to download the tool. If you scroll down to the bottom of the page, you should see the download options. Just click on the latest version there, which at the minute is Rufus 3.8. Once that's downloaded, if you go and run the tool. Okay, so once that's open, you'll be able to see there at the top it's got device. I've got a 16 gig USB already in my machine, and you have the option there for the boot selection. So if you go ahead and select the select button and select the ISO that you want to make bootable. In this option I'm going to use a Windows 10 ISO, and you can see the volume label there will be changed, and the file system. So you can see I already have a USB plugged in there under the E drive. So if you go to start, this gives you a warning just to let you know everything will be formatted and destroyed on the USB. So that will start the process, that will format the USB, and that will create the file system structure on the USB, and then that will copy all the contents of the ISO over to the USB. Okay, so you can see that's now finished. So if you go into the E drive there, you can see the contents of the ISO, and if you run the setup file, you'll see there that that is now preparing the installation of Windows. This is if you wanted to do it from the machine itself now. And then you can see there that the installation window is now loaded. So that's how you go ahead and create a bootable USB using the Rufus tool.